Dear students, this lecture is for 5th Sem BCom. The subject is Accounting for Managerial Decision. Today's topic is Uniform Costing and Interfirm Comparison, and the subtopic is Interfirm Comparison. Unit 6, Session 59. Student, the learning objective of this session is to know the merits and limitations of interfirm comparison. At the same time, the session outcome is that students will be able to know that interfirm comparison as the technique of evaluating the relative performance, efficiency, cost and profit of firms in a given industry. Interfirm comparison is a tool used by the management of a company to compare its operating performance and financial results with those of similar companies engaged in the same industry. Let us focus on the advantages of interfirm comparison. The first advantage is that it helps the management to improve its efficiency. Interfirm comparison helps the management to take corrective measures for its improvement in efficiency in near future. The second advantage of interfirm comparison is that it assists the management to improve the productivity. Interfirm comparison locates or point out the snags and weakness of the firm and thus assists the management to take all possible steps in order to improve the productivity of all factors which are directly connected. The next advantages of interfirm comparison is that it helps the business to run in the correct way. Interfirm comparison also helps the business world to run in the correct way. The fourth advantages of interfirm comparison is that it helps the government to regulate the prices. Interfirm comparison helps the government to regulate the prices of commodity in the country. The fifth advantage is that biasness is absent. Since the data are collected and presented by the central agency or body, biasness are absent in interfirm comparison. The next advantage is that it develops the cost consciousness. Interfirm comparison develops the cost consciousness among its members since various ratios are known. The last advantage of interfirm comparison is that it suggests the possible remedies. Interfirm comparison presents not only the differences between two firms, it also explains the reasons for such difference and suggests the possible remedies for its improvement. Let us focus on the limitations of interfirm comparison. The first limitation is that difficulty to maintain the secrecy. It is very difficult to maintain the secrecy of the firms since the data are presented to its members. The second limitation is that not always possible to make a proper comparison. It is not always possible to make proper comparison between the two firms as identical position is hardly possible in the real world situation. Thus, it is not always effective. The next difficulty is that it will become fruitful only when both the firms maintain good costing system. In the absence of any proper cost accounting system, the data so collected and presented cannot produce any reliable information for the purpose of making proper comparison. Thus, it will become fruitful only when both the firms maintain good costing system. The last limitation of interfirm comparison is that sometimes the member firms do not prefer to disclose their data. Sometimes member firms do not prefer to disclose their data about the financial and operational performances. Thank you.